Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be taking a look at the brand new audio package from Loxone, which includes everything you see in front of me. The Loxone audio package is exclusively available to Loxone partners and at a 40% discount, only available for a limited time. So let's take a look at everything you'll be getting within this package. First and foremost, the Miniserver Compact with the Turbo Tree interface, the perfect integration tool for any Loxone audio project. You're also going to be getting two 7-inch install speakers, one master, one client, as well as the housing for both of them. And finally, rounding out this package, our satellite speaker IP64 client, which is the perfect speaker for outdoor usage. This package is an ideal selling solution for any Loxone partner to showcase the sheer brilliance of Loxone audio in their office, their showroom, or their show houses. It is an excellent way to bring your customers into the world of Loxone audio and let them truly experience just how good we sound. Now we'll be showing you how to wire and program all these pieces together in just a matter of minutes. Stay tuned. Let's start with the cabling of the audio package. This larger cable here comes from our Miniserver Compact via the Tree Turbo interface and connects to our master speaker. We'll then hook up the 24-volt power here, along with the Tree Turbo connection right here. Next, we'll connect the client speaker. Simply match the black and white terminals to the next speaker in line. Next, connect the 24-volt from the Tree Turbo to the client. Be sure to connect the master to the first client and then follow the in and out terminals all the way from the master to the final client, which in our case will be the satellite speaker. I've already set up the terminal strip for the satellite speaker. Just plug it in, secure the strain relief, and your audio package setup is good to go. Now once the cabling is complete and the master client speaker has been supplied with 24 operating volts, we can now start programming the audio system with the help of the Loxone config. Start the search, and after a few moments you'll find the Install Speaker 7 Master. Then start the client search. Select the master speaker and search for the client speakers. Shortly after, you'll find our two clients, one the Install Speaker 7 and the other is our satellite speaker. I'll place the Install Speaker 7 client in the dining room and the satellite on the terrace. Now, simply drag and drop the speakers into place and create a fixed group within the satellite. And that's it. Setting up and powering the master client speakers is just that easy. All we have to do now is to save them into the Miniserver and start enjoying our music. This package is the perfect introduction to present the audio world of Loxone to any of your customers. So thank you all for tuning in. Have fun with the audio package.